Hello everyone, so we are currently in Playa Los Bohios in Maunabo, Puerto Rico, and we are literally in a black sand beach. You can see all the black sand here. Really nice, very pretty. We do see a lot of kind of like the tree trunks, and I guess storms have knocked them down. Be very nice if they cleaned this up. There was also a restaurant here at one point. Looks like it was a really nice restaurant with the view of the ocean, but unfortunately it's not in service right now. But we are literally in black sand. So it's very beautiful to come and take some pictures, have a relaxing time. But yeah, black sand. It's less messier than regular sand, and it's quite impressive actually. So for many of you that know that there are black sands in Hawaii, which I've been to as well, I can verify and guarantee that this is also black sand. And if you live on the East Coast, you don't have to travel so far to get this. In fact, even if you live on the West Coast, you don't have to travel so far. I mean, it is a little far, right? I would say it's halfway. But you know, mid and East Coast, you don't have to go to Hawaii for black sand beach. You're going to Puerto Rico and enjoy that. All right, so let's look at the aerial views of this place, and that's it. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more content. Woo!